does not go all the way through. There's not a very big screw. So maybe it just holds the veneer. Maybe it's just holding this veneer on. I'm gonna use crappy screws.
On last week's boat bit, we measured all of the chain in our chain locker. Now it's time to go below and see what's going on down here.
See if it uses a number 1 instead of a number 2. Oh, this might be number 1, right? Nope. You need the right bit tip. There's a number 1 right there. Let's see if that fits it better. Yes, it does. For the little ones. It got stuck. Back to the number 2. You had to use every size of bit tip you could find. That was a square tip, that's why that one doesn't come out. Let's take the door off this way. Hey, we're one layer closer. Right? So, still got to figure out how we can possibly get that off. Are these tabbed? Yes, they are.
Yeah.
This is bigger than, it's not bigger than this hole. It's bigger than these holes and up there. So, you know, it came in through here. It's somehow attached to this. And that's where I can't see any screws here. But it should be. It was so rotten. Look at that, just coming out, you know.
Well, that's one way to take it out. So they divided the anchor locker themselves.
Well,
Everybody else says it's tabbed in, the ones that are divided.
right. Well, that's how ours is going to be in the end. I need a glove. Give me a glove. I'll do this without a glove.
What was that, Katie?
This was a left.
So if any sort of bug comes crawling out of here, I'm done. Just imagine.
Okay, well, that is as much.
Here.
We'll have to get the,
Take a picture of what's up there.
we'll have to get the
Vacuum.
vacuum.
Can you see it?
Here, just set that down. Kind of yucky in there.
So, is there a? Can you see where it's supposed to drain?
I can't see yet. Nope.
Cleaner.
Yeah, we need to chisel out dirt and grime and.
So, did you get all the yuck out?
Well, I got most of it out. Got about a 3/4 of an inch diameter hole. So that hole right there is the drain. And you can see the in relation to my big screwdriver. There's not a whole lot there of drain in the bottom of this locker for draining the muck out.
So that's why it leaks into the V-Berth instead of
Well, it was completely plugged until I just unplugged the top end, but I don't know how far deep the yuck goes. So I got to get a plumber snake or something down in there and see if I can't make sure that it's clean all the way in. I don't know where it goes. We need to see if we can figure out where it comes out into the bilge.
I think it's supposed to come out here, but I don't know. That's what everybody says.
Well, it'll eventually get to there, but is there a pipe that's only a foot long that drops into a big part, or is the pipe go all the way to here, you know? I don't know. That's what I need to find out.
The good news is it wasn't plugged up. Now we have to figure out what to do for a door on this. Got any ideas? Leave us a comment or catch us on Facebook. Talk to you soon.